Imagine creating a digital influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and can generate millions of dollars.
Friends, meet Naina, an Indian influencer aged 22 from Jhansi. Her dream is to make a name for herself in Bollywood. She believes she has faced a lot of struggles in her life, but interestingly, her story of struggle is entirely fictional. Naina herself does not exist in this world. The 22-year-old model Naina is a remarkable creation of AI-generated by Tensor.art. According to India Today News, her reels and videos have garnered over 200 million views, with lakhs of followers, and her popularity continues to grow steadily today. And the owner of her is earning millions of dollars from her pages. In this video, we will create an AI model in the same way. So subscribe the Digital AI Dollars for more amazing videos. Now, as soon as you click on step 1, open Google and search Tensor.art and open the first website before moving ahead. First, sign up from your Gmail account or use a temp mail to sign up. If you do not know how to use temp mail, so click here to watch the video. Let's back. Tensor comes and opens. Click on sign in. It is showing a pop-up message, which means the website will give you credit to create daily 100 free images. There may be some variations in these features in the upcoming time. Anyway, now you want to create your account here. At first, in sidebar, click on models. Here you can see a significant number of ready-made AI models are there. You can select from these or click on create your own to create an AI model yourself. I have taken a random image model to teach you. Now, you just have to click on remix and then insert the recommended requirements. And in the left, you can see all the details of this model are written, whose we are going to change to make our own model. Here, you can see there are two types of prompts. First, simple prompt, and the second is negative. In this box, you will write the negative keywords of statements which you do not want in your model. The next is the aspect ratio of this image, which has been given to you in which setting you want your image to be: portrait, landscape, square, or custom. Now comes the seed, which plays very important role to create a perfect model. In this, you have to give a number to your image, but you can take any number randomly. Just remember that number or note it somewhere, because with the seed number, you can keep your AI model's face the same, and you can place it in any pose or any place. The image model that I have taken is using this seed number. You can create a unique AI model by making changes to it. Now, I changed some things in this prompt. Download the picture. Friends, 5 years, and girls to old Indian girls. I am changing the hairstyle, such as changing to white. Which shade and what color of dress is black, you can generate. After the process of some minutes you can see your fresh and unique AI model, which does not exit anywhere. Click on this here. You cannot differentiate whether this is AI or human. The clear and detailed prompt, you will give the better and realistic results you will get. Now again, you can make some changes in prompt to create the same model's second picture by changing the place, hairstyle, pose, and what you want. Now click on generate and boom, your picture is ready. I made some pictures of the same AI model, which you can see here. Before creating an AI influencer model, we will first create a roadmap that outlines all the steps needed to create the AI model. So first, we need to make some changes in the prompt, which we will take from Tensor.art to create a unique AI model. Then we will use the Discord website to swap faces from any images, and for creating videos and reels, we will use Google Colab AI. This tool uses deepfake technology in videos and reels with face swaps. For all the steps, we need photos and videos. For this, I will tell you some free and paid websites to download stock video and photos. And at last, we will make a YouTube channel for our influencer to giving them. We'll make them ready to earn money. After that, the second step is, now again, go to Google and search Discord. Open the main website. On the left side, click on the plus button. From here, we will generate our server. Click on Create My Own. then click on For Me and My Friends. Here, you can give any name to your server, like I type Digital AI Dollars, then click on Create. Now go to description here. You will get a face swap bot link. Open that and select the server we created now. Then click on Continue, then Authorize, fill the CAPTCHA and click on Go to the Digital AI Dollars. And in the text box, you have to press the slash in the bottom and type SAVEID. Press Enter button here. Then click on the upload icon and open your AI model's image. Now, you have to give any name here. So I have written QWERTY. Hit the Enter button again. Here we will upload a picture, but the problem is, where will you download the picture? For this, you can visit some free and paid websites where you can easily download high-quality images and footage such as FreePic, Pixels, Pixabay, and Cover. These all are free websites from where you can easily download images and videos, templates. And on the other side, Evento Element Story, Block, iStock, and Shutterstock, these websites, which are paid, from where you can download templates, images, videos easily in high quality. Now we have those pictures whose face I have to remove and put my AI's face. So I have selected this picture and opened it. Here, you have to type the same name again and enter it. In a few seconds, the result is right in front of you. The face swap has been done perfectly. Whose comparison you can see for these types of images. You have to follow the same pattern. Here, I have flipped the faces of some images which you can see. Now again, you have to make some more pictures by using the same pattern. At least make a 10 to 20 images to make here portfolio with different possess and location. This was the story of pictures. Now we have to make videos and reels for it. Now again, visit the description and click a link of Google Colab AI. At first, click on the media icon and press Run Anyway. And click on the file icon. Then click on Upload icon. Then upload any video which you want to use in Face Swap. Then select AI model picture and upload it here also. Now click on the image and copy the path of image and paste it here. Same as copy the path of video and paste it here. Then click on this icon. After that, click on the root folder icon. Here you can see your video is ready. Click on 3 dots and download it. Now here is the picture and the video whose face I swapped. Now each and everything is ready, and the best part is you have also learnt it. Now we have to some social handles for her. You can create Instagram page, Facebook page, and YouTube channel. So in this video, we will create a YouTube channel for her. First, we have to decide the name. You can use ChatGPT for it and choose a perfect name for her, which will be easy to remember and pronounce. So I have chosen a name and display picture for her. Let's create a YouTube channel when all the social media accounts are ready. Then start uploading here photos and videos there and get monetization. And in the result, earn money. Your AI influencer will become more popular, and after a time, you will come into the earning phase. So friends, if you found this video informative, be sure to share it with your friends and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. If you want to know the truth about YouTube automation, so click in this video where we have exposed the YouTube automation, or visit the channel to watch the playlist.